Bonjour à tous, c'est moi, Patsy Unique P, et bienvenue sur ma chaîne pour une autre vidéo. If you're new here, I create black fashion, lifestyle, and a little bit of travel content. Et je parle un peu français. If you haven't already, give your girl a thumbs up, like, share, and bien sûr, subscribe. As I recreate my wardrobe on my new journey, aujourd'hui video is the unboxing of a few items that I received, and I will also be sharing my 2024 luxury wish list with you. So if this is something you're interested in seeing, allons-y. So our first piece that we're going to open is from Tote and Carry. I got two pieces from them, and this is the first one. It's a crossbody bag, and it could also be used as a fanny pack. So let's see. Lovely packaging, this wonderful dust bag to keep it nice and clean in. And let's see. Oh, wow, how beautiful. See? And you can see the strap in the brand name, Tote and Carry, which you put across your body. And this has two purses. The item is actually called Deuce Deuce. You have two separate purses. And here is the belt and a beautiful little charm in the Tote and Carry name, and just wonderful. Really, really nice. I got this bag on sale for $25. It is normally $120.99, and unfortunately it is no longer available on the site. Tote and Carry is a business which I found through Oprah's favorite list, and they create luxury handbags in vegan leather and the best material that one could find. So I'm gonna give this a try and enjoy. Our next piece is also from Tote and Carry, and this is a toiletry bag, a graffiti toiletry bag. So let's see what's this one like as well. Very nice colors. Oh, wonderful. And again, you see here the Tote and Carry logo, and this beautiful bag which you can put all of your cosmetics in when you're traveling. There's a purse on the outside where you can put your brushes, and another one to the front as well, which you can utilize in the same way, or any other toiletry you may have. And it is quite deep on the inside, so you can pack a whole lot of things in here. Very nice, I think. So let's see. Our next piece is from Mygani. Now, Mygani is an accessory brand who creates pieces for us black girls to empower us in our beauty. And this is a laptop bag. I have a very small laptop, and it can also be used as a crossbody bag. So let's open this and see. And this is just speaks about my personality. I am a natural dreadlock wearing woman, and I like to wrap my hair, wear my hair out, and this bag is just for me. And here again, it has an outside purse that you can put anything in. If you're carrying files to the office, or when you're traveling and you just need extra storage space. And it is quite nice on the inside as well, with 2 pockets for your pens and another pocket for anything else, and it has the crossbody bag, so I can't wait to use this piece. And here, another piece that I got. I had to open it, so I will just share with you. This came from Sammy B, and this is her packaging. And she also sent me a note. Oh, here is the note. Patricia, thank you for being a part of the crew. Enjoy your purchase. We want to see how you rock your piece, so be sure to tag us. I look forward to doing this. And this is a wide leg trousers, and I can't wait to style this for you guys. Sammy B is a Jamaican descent woman who lives in New York. And last but not least, we just got in a package from, this is from Media Odina. And here let's see what's in this package. This is a 2-piece set. It comes with a pair of shorts, and you also have a kimono to match. Very nice. And this is from an African designer that I also found on Oprah's favorite list. So I look forward to wearing these pieces as well. So the first item on my luxury wish list is also from Tote and Carry. It's a tote bag, this caramel snakeskin tote bag, which I need a work purse that I can carry all of my things. You know, we ladies have a whole lot of things that we need to carry, and I have had a work bag for some years now, and I think she has done her duty, and it's time to replace her with something very luxurious. My next piece on my wish list is also a tote from Telfar. This one is called Moose Knuckles, and I would really like to get this piece. And Telfar is also known for his wonderful pieces, affordable, and I look forward to getting this piece from him. Our next piece is these sneakers from Low C Wear Sneakers, and again, rebuilding my wardrobe with all of the pieces that I would like to have from Black designers, and this would be a good one to replace my ever so worn sneakers that I'm wearing right now. And as we go on, my next piece that I would love to have is these pumps from Kendall Miles, these furry pumps. As I mentioned in my last video, furry shoes are very trendy and in, and Kendall is known for very comfortable leather pieces which are made in Italy, and I want to get into wearing one of her pieces, so this as well is on my luxury wish list. Another pair of shoes which is on my wish list is these solid strappy heels from Ciara, and these are so fabulous. I am a high heel girl. It's either sneakers or heels for me. There's no in between really, and I look forward to getting a piece from her collection as well. Then we have these wonderful blue wide leg trousers from Hanifa. Ever since I ran across these, my eyes were, you gotta get that. And yes, it's a little high end, so it's gonna cost me a bit of coins, but I will save towards that, and somewhere later in 2024, if it's still available, I'm definitely going to get that piece. And from Brown Girl, there are two fragrances that I would love to have. Brown Girl is a black woman business, and they specialize in fragrance that meet your personality. On their website you can go and they give you a little quiz to ask you all of your favorite scents and your personality, and they match that to some fragrances. And the two fragrances that I was matched to is Dear and Dawn, and these are definitely going to be a part of my fragrance collection as I start to build that. Thank you for spending your time with me as I shared my new in pieces and my luxury wish list. I hope you all enjoyed this video and you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. So until next time, au revoir, a bientôt.